Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. Got a busy bench going on. I'm working on the Revell 1/8 scale Evil Iron Trike. You can see it back there. I've got two World War I tanks I'm in the process of finishing up on. And I says, you know what, Tim? It is time to take a break and read issue 5 Auto Modeler magazine. Also, I've got some good news for you. Some cool kits getting ready to come out. You don't want to miss it. One of the kits I know you'll definitely want. The other one, you may not, but I think they're all cool, so I want to share them with you. But anyway, let's get the camera turned around, go through Auto Modeler magazine. Okay, issue 5 of Auto Modeler magazine, April, May 2025. Let's go through this and check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Nice little break from the model bench here. Share the break with you guys. They also have a Facebook page you can go to and stay on top of what's going on. And it's a very active Facebook page. Here's the Facebook page. But definitely join the Facebook page and you can see what's going on with Auto Modeler and the modeling world out there. Got to support our sponsors, Spotlight Hobbies. And this is what I like. This is very, very cool. You know, I'm into all the old weathering and rusting, and that is a neat looking truck. I like that. Very well done. Very well done, Chris. I like your truck. But he talks about it, talks about what all he did. If you're into weathering, you'll really enjoy this article right there. The Wrench-Shaped Wonder by Cliff Reed. Cool car and a cool read. I dug the headlights that he did. Neat car. Showing how he came up with it, started on it. Very cool. Check these guys out. Who's that character right there? Well, I don't know. STS. Gotta love STS decals. They're the best. Those guys are doing a great job for the hobby. If you haven't gotten with STS decals, they do custom decals. Check them out. They are a blessing for our hobby. Cool looking bug. I've been wanting to do a bug, so this is kind of inspiring me to do a bug. I'm wanting to do kind of the bug with the front end sticking out, more of a rat rod style, but this is really cool what he did. I like that. Different concept. Nice job. Favorite spray paint ever, right there. The Tesser's One Shot. That's what he used. Yes, you can spray bomb this stuff and come out with a cool paint job. Like the bug. Great job. Nice job. Top swap. Show you how to change the top if you ever wondered that, which is always fun to do. A little chop chop. Glue glue. And you got a top. Her name is Lola. And there's Lola right there. That is our little cover shop beauty by Mark Jones. Very nice model. Nice read on how he did it, what all he did. And again, you know, even if that Lola isn't your cup of tea, you can read through this and pick up some cool tips and put some of this towards your build, which is what I like to do. But I'm actually into the Lola. I think it's neat. Very nice, very nice. Again, I just wanted to go through this real quick and share it with you guys. Taking a little break from all the projects that's on the bench. Busy bench. Mark Jones and Randy Durr talk about the GSL, which is Great Salt Lake Showdown, which is a show no more. It was a show that was every other year out in Salt Lake. I went to the last show, and here's all the coverage on it. You have to go back in my archives and check out the videos on the Great Salt Lake coverage. Check out these videos. I'll link some of these at the end, and you can see it's a great show. Salt Lake was a good time. Did the awards and swap meet and the show. And I spent 5 days out in Salt Lake and met some great people, hung out with some great people. Still friends with some of them today. We talk quite a bit on the phone today, or text message, or Facebook. But miss going to Salt Lake. It was a fun time. I think you'll enjoy those videos. And this article with Randy and Mark talking about Salt Lake. Project Snowball. Oh, I love flames. You know I'm a flame junkie. Very cool. Another neat article. Pick up some things about this cool hot rod and incorporate it into your stuff. Model Roundup. If you don't have a local hobby shop, definitely get with Model Roundup. They will fix you up. It is probably the best mail order company out there for models. I was really digging on this. Does this give you the itch to pick up a couple of these Red Baron kits when it comes back out? That is so cool. The dragster, very cool. I'm gonna have to probably steal a few of these ideas. Love the sketch pad. But that is probably one of the neatest sketch pads I've ever seen. Out of all the sketch pads I've seen over the years in the model magazines, this one might be my favorite. Love that. Very neat. Very neat. The Rail Baron. Just so cool. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Love it. Love it. 2024 Plastic Undercover. This magazine covers a lot of model contests, which is always cool. This is out in Akron, Ohio. I like that. Love the Mopars. Very nice. Very nice. Milk truck looks good. Like the hauler. Cool builds. Cool builds. Very nice. Scrapbook. Throwing in some pics here and there. Here's a way you can subscribe if you want more Auto Modeler magazine. Or you can pick it up at a well-stocked hobby shop. But you can subscribe to this. And again, go to their Facebook page. And you can ask questions there and stay abreast on what's going on. The Halloween Bash. What I liked about this is I like the Starsky and Hutch car. One of my favorite shows. One of my favorite cop shows. Thought that was really cool. Nice job on the Starsky and Hutch. But nice coverage on the model contests. Good looking Riv. Probably one of the best cars to come out of Detroit that already looks custom. Very cool. Cruising for a Cure 2024 show out in California. I've been wanting to get out to California to a show. Like that. That's cool. Did a good job on that 55 Badman. It's a fun kit to get if you haven't gotten it. Another neat kit it's fun to do is a school bus. Nice job. Don't want to miss a page. Good looking Willies. Nice show coverage. Nice show coverage, guys. Ah, Jay's Camaro. I love Jay. Remember I said a minute ago I come up, met some neat friends out at GSL. Jay is one of them. I hung out with Jay for about 5 days. I love Jay. He's a character. You ever see him at a show, go up and talk to him. He's one of the coolest guys you could ever talk to and meet, and I guarantee you'll be one of his good friends. You'll like him. You'll like him a lot. I like that idea, Jay.
Yeah, man. That's what we're all about, right?
And boom, off you go.
Bang.
Wow. Thank you so much, man. You've been wonderful this weekend. I'll tell you, it's amazing. Love Jay. Great guy. good builder too. Cool little kit. Check that out. MPC Super Teen Firebird. The slasher kit that just come out not too long ago. Picked up a slasher. Don't know what I'm going to do with it. I need to get it slashed open and build it. '64 Olds Funny Car kit. That just come out too not too long ago. Of course, these are all kit reviews, which is always cool. Read about how the kit goes together. Yeah, kit reviews. Kit review. Kit review. I need to get one of these yet. Haven't gotten one yet. Gotta get it before it dries up. Kit review. Definitely recommend getting that kit, the Mobius tow truck. It's been a hot selling kit. It's a great kit. I've got, I think, 3 of them. You cannot buy enough of these tow truck kits, and I'll tell you why. You probably already know. You take that bed and stick it on anything. A lot of people are saying, how come they're all Fords? No, you can take that bed and stick it on a Chevy truck. But have fun with the tow truck kit, guys. It's a great kit. It goes together quite well, too. This talks a little bit more about it. 57 Chevy Nomad. Another kit review. Usual Suspects. Very cool. Atomic City. I gotta get there and film Atomic City. Iceman, they have 3D printed stuff. And that is issue 5. April, May 2025, Auto Model Magazine. News from Mobius. We've got a 1970 Ford ramp truck. Can never have enough ramp trucks. When this comes back out, if you haven't gotten some ramp trucks, buy several of these, because you can take that ramp truck body and put it on anything. Got a 1947 Chevy Fleetmaster. Got a 1947 Chevy Coupe. And then you got the sedan delivery. 3 great kits that Mobius has grabbed, and they're going to go ahead and do along with that ramp truck. And don't forget, you can also see Auto Model Magazine on Facebook. Well, what do you think? Issue 5, my project's going on, the new kit's coming out. Excited? I know I am. It's a great time to be a modeler. We will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power. And check out this 5-engine pulling tractor that I got off of MCV Products. I am addicted to these pulling tractors. These are so cool. This thing's coming along good. I'm really excited about this project.